Breakfast can be a difficult meal to get right, and if you want a great meal for the first meal of the day, Al Badr has you covered. So today we're going to give you a quick preview of all the special dishes that we offer at Al Badr restaurant, and this is specifically designed as a breakfast. You can order it throughout the day if you'd like to, but we have focused on these meals from a full English breakfast, Beirut combo. We've got prawn tagine, kofta tagine, mixed vegetable omelettes, loads of different minced meat and toasties. So we're going to go through this little episode today, give you a behind the scenes of some of the food preparation. We had a party upstairs today where we did some croissants freshly baked in the restaurant, and it smelled amazing. So if you ever want to come through in the morning, remember we are open nice and early in the morning for you to come in and you can have your breakfast meal. And we also prepare all of our meat dishes for the day as well, so you get some amazing smells coming from the restaurant. So remember, we have the Al Badr special breakfast. We have some additional options where you have like eggs cooked in homemade Middle Eastern spiced tomato, onion and garlic sauce, fresh coriander. We have the croissants, we have the special tea which you can order in restaurant, and we also got the little pastries that are made in-house in the bakery. So let's have a quick look at some of the options and the preparation for today. And you'll see we use some rice. We've got all the spices lined up here in the kitchen, ready to give you that nice taste and freshness of your food. So depending on what you want, we actually do a number of different mix and mash options as well. So we've got mixed Lebanese pies, we've got classic breakfast, we've got spinach calzone style. And if you haven't visited us, you will know we've got award-winning internal theme of the restaurant, obviously Moroccan Lebanese style seating areas with all the right seating environment for you. So you can see that's the early morning when we're setting up all the breakfast, and the croissants are being freshly baked, and the smell is actually amazing. So you can check through our menu for the breakfast items. We do lots of different options. You'll see some of them today. So today we had a party upstairs for guests, and we did a number of croissants, some pastry dishes, tea, and a nice light option just to get them started. And then we also had some omelettes which we prepared, and the classics like hummus, falafel, grilled halloumi. You can have additional classic options there. So you can see some of the preparation behind the scenes here with chef cam. So omelettes from mixed veg, onion, mushroom, peppers and tomatoes. We've got the mixed cheese option for cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and diced chicken, seasoned diced chicken if you'd like that in your omelette. And then we have the special tagines as well, and the tagines are designed to give you that special minced meat, turkey rashers. You've got dried chicken, like we talked about, kofta tagine, prawn tagine and shukha Beirut combo, and we've got all the other options as well. If you prefer something a little bit more traditional, we do offer the omelettes, but you can see the tagines are firstly cooked on the stove and then put into a specific oven we have designed here, just to get that right consistency for the poached egg on top. And it works amazing. A lot of people come back for this regularly as a nice way to start your day, keep you energized throughout the day with some fresh naan or some toasties, or you can have a side dish of omelettes. So with the eggs we are using here, you can see we've got a nice selection of consistency, because these are going to give you a nice option with the specific baked Lebanese bread sides and the vegetables. We also offer additional homemade baklava as a nice little sweet side dish. So these work overall, and they come out from our oven specifically designed, and then we piece these together for you. And remember, alongside these we offer the bakery options as well, like the za'atar bread and the different pizza styles. So it doesn't have to be your traditional full English breakfast. We offer you some other dishes to keep you satisfied and keep you tantalized. So you can see this process works its way through, and the tagine and the platters, Al Badr special, offer you a few options. So here you see the meat option, and then they go into the tagine. So you're getting a nice chef cam view here of the process, and just so you can see exactly how we build these meals out for you in the kitchen, with the minced meat or the diced chicken and the mixed vegetables, or the kofta tagine, which would be like kofta meatballs cooked in rice tomato sauce with harissa and veg, topped with eggs, served with freshly baked Lebanese bread. You got the prawn option as well, so if you want something a little bit more oceany, oven cooked prawns in rich and creamy tomato sauce with eggs, onions and spinach, served with freshly baked Lebanese bread. This is part of the platters range as well, so we do the platters and the Beiruti combo, a selection of full madamus hummus, falafel, olives and the tradition options. And these tagines are always amazing. They get sizzling up and they go straight into the oven that you've seen here as always. So make sure to check out our website. You can check out for the menu. You can even come on our YouTube page. You've got the Facebook page, the Instagram page, TikTok, and you can have a look at some of this being prepared every day, so you can rest assured you're getting something fresh and good for you to start your day off. So again, with these omelette dishes, they are cooked from scratch all within the restaurant, and they have a special Lebanese Moroccan feel to them to give you that freshness and the taste to keep you going. You see the peppers here are cut as well, and these all rely on each other to taste amazing, with the olive oil scattered throughout the omelettes. I will show you a couple of these dishes just so you got an idea here. I'm hoping you found this interesting, and make sure to check out our series of behind the scenes and the omelettes that we prepare. Slowly we're working our way through the menu items. We've done you some event catering extravaganzas, and we also offer something special. I want you to show you this. We offer liver meat, which is actually like a nice, refreshing, rich meal for you to start your day, and that gets mixed with some vegetables, and that's an alternative to your standard omelettes as well. So we want to keep it nice and fresh for you and give you an idea that you've got loads of dish options out there. So hopefully this gives you an idea. I'll leave you with the remaining little bit of footage here, and we will see you on our next episode for the Al Badr catering special. We have got a nice big venue coming up soon, so you'll see some more catering specials for a big venue, but we've not done much on breakfast. So hopefully you found this interesting. See you on the next video.